nagira ngo manje zimwe zimaziro bwire bwinji habwo kuba bazirimu tibarkwenda kuzimara juba okugamba ebi nobwo benayigura hakira ka kote jururwamu ninga sujet court of appeal ahe manje 25 zirakorweho.
Change the method of handling of cases and got alternatives to dispute resolution mechanisms, ADR. And this is, we use mediation, we use alternatives of religious leaders, customary leaders, local council leaders, assisting people in resolving their own cases.
Aha mukoro nigo gumwe abebembezi bakabare bashabire ngukote jururwamu etongozi bwo mu butongore omucyanga cya Kigezi ehweremo mukumara hemanjezi.
Because we are seeing domestic violence and land conflict manifesting into murder cases, and this comes as a result of taking long for justice to be given to affected people.
My Lord, we are ready. Immediately from here, we are going to discuss with the Speaker, the councillors, executive members, technical people. Then we'll see how we can provide land because we need services.
Uwo muramuzo mukuru wa kabare Samuel Mokoro na Yorekangu abebembezi babahweriraho munonga kutungura obuhereza omucyanga eki.
None of us has received a phone call from the RDC over matters that we are handling. He has not walked into our chambers to discuss matters that we are handling. He has kept away from court matters.
Abaramuza bakote jururwamu harimo Irene Muryagonja, Christopher Gashirabake na Eva Ruswata nibo barashitame omushangwe 25 mu biro bishatu. Gasha kwa Job namanya.